Welcome to our journey into the world of Louis Vuitton, where luxury meets artistry. Founded in 1854, this iconic brand has transcended time and trends, becoming synonymous with elegance and sophistication. But what makes Louis Vuitton truly special? At the core of its legacy is the timeless monogram, a symbol recognized around the globe. This emblem isn't just a logo, it's a story of craftsmanship passed down through generations. Each piece tells a tale of creativity and meticulous attention to detail, from the classic trunks to today's modern handbags. Let's travel back in time to understand how Louis Vuitton began as a humble trunk maker in Paris. With the rise of travel during the 19th century, his innovative designs transformed the way people explored the world, blending utility with luxury. Fast forward to the present, and the brand continues to push boundaries, collaborating with artists and designers like Takashi Murakami and Virgil Abloh, creating pieces that are both wearable art and status symbols. Louis Vuitton isn't just about fashion, it's about a lifestyle. The brand's runway shows are legendary, showcasing not only stunning collections but also a vision that inspires millions. Whether it's a classic Keepall bag or a limited edition collaboration, each item embodies a spirit of adventure and refinement. So, whether you're a longtime collector or a curious newbie, the allure of Louis Vuitton is undeniable. Join us as we explore the evolution and innovations that keep this fashion giant at the forefront of luxury. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into the world of high fashion. In this video, I'm diving into one of the most iconic luxury brands in the world, Louis Vuitton, specifically reviewing their timeless monogram wallet. From its impeccable craftsmanship and signature canvas material to the flawless stitching and elegant gold hardware, this wallet is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. With ample space for cards, bills, and coins, it's a well-organized essential that combines both style and function. While Louis Vuitton's price tag reflects its high-end heritage, investing in this wallet means owning a piece of timeless design that will never go out of style. If you're a fan of LV or luxury fashion in general, make sure to stick around as I share all the details about this classic wallet. We're exploring the world of Louis Vuitton, one of the most iconic luxury brands that's synonymous with timeless style, craftsmanship, and elegance. From their signature monogram canvas to high-quality leather goods, Louis Vuitton offers a range of products. From sleek wallets to stylish handbags, each crafted with precision and attention to detail. While their pieces come with a luxury price tag, you're not just buying a logo, you're investing in premium materials and a legacy of excellence that lasts for years. Whether you're a longtime fan or just discovering the brand, stick around as we dive into some of their most coveted pieces and why they remain at the top of luxury fashion. Louis Vuitton represents more than just luxury. It's a symbol of timeless elegance, craftsmanship, and a journey that transcends ordinary destinations. With each meticulously crafted piece, from iconic bags to custom luggage, Louis Vuitton embodies a legacy of artistry and precision, designed for those who seek adventure with style and grace. Whether it's a sleek black bag beside you on a private jet or an artisanal touch on every stitch, Louis Vuitton accompanies you on your journey, offering both function and beauty for those who define their own path.